Kanan diri sa kuan sa purok sa sakop sa Kinilis na nakaingin na ni nung araw pa. Labi pa nagkaingin, nag-abot ang laging sa una, wala na ni mga kahoy.
We focus on the declared protected area, but with the need of the people in the lowlands, hindi pwedeng ganun yun. So that means you have to provide opportunities at saka alternatives doon sa mga lowlanders, example, construction materials. Instead of just planting forest trees in the protected area, we are aggressively distributing trees. Annually, we're distributing between 300,000 to 500,000 seedlings. Doon sa Chairs for Trees, Community Development Programs, tools for trees, books for trees, whatever program for trees na yung mga reciprocating actions. Kasi ang concept, after 6 to 15 years, pag malaki na ito, instead of going to the protected area, dito na lang sila mag-harvest. Which really happened mga past interventions namin.
So the logic is we have to protect Sarangani Protected Seascape as the home of the tuna, but you cannot do that without rehabilitating, protecting the upper portion, of which Silway River is among those water bodies, and of which Pulumulok play a very significant role. And our deliverable to SUSI project of World Bank is to reduce pollution along Silway River. And that is why we are engaged in the so-called CLTS, the Community-Led Total Sanitation. Again, Maintana is our partner in this particular effort. They are involved in the baseline survey. They have technical expertise on that. They join the DOH personnel in the baseline survey. So we have this program from macro to micro program.
So nagkataon doon, nagbisita po itong Mahintana sa amin, no? 2002. Dahil may project silang ibigay dito sa Sumbakil na patubig. Barangay Council po ang counterpart nila noon. Pero nagkataon na nakita nila ang Sumbakil Multipurpose Cooperativa na smooth selling na meron ng inuumpisahan. So parang nakita nila, so nagprograma kami. So yun ang umpisa ng aming pag-partner sa Mahintana.
Sa ko, siyempre, laki na. Parang dinagdag doon sa 100,000. Naglaki yung pautang. Nakita ng mga niluro. Maganda sa sila. Buhok niluro. Yung kooperatiba. Sa tulong ng Mahintana. Dahil, gawa ka lang ng farm plan, makapag-loan ka na ng fertilizer.
Nagpasalamat sa aming Senyor Lumayad tungod sa kaulian ng kiniyahan o gumikan sa service coffee. Amuna gani nagpasalamat si Mayor sa amon. Salamat sa taga Purukutso kay sila makaproteksyon sa kiniyahan o sa abot sa mga kaning tanan nga mga kahoy wala na madaot.
Yun ang key factor doon yung pag-deliverables ka, you are just after of delivering what has been written and in the MOA. Pero kung you are part of the community, you will struggle to develop.